So a common misconception about the environmental technician program is that the only career pathway is to be a field technician and working outside all the time. This is absolutely not the case. There's something for everyone in this field, and you don't even need to work outside all the time. You can be a GIS technician. You can work behind the scenes as a project support specialist, and so much more.
A typical day at my new job would be collecting eDNA samples and bringing them back to the lab to analyze them. Also, we almost go out on the boat every single day to collect invertebrates, fish species, and also learning how to read, write, and speak technical language to be able to present information professionally.
It's a very hands-on program. A lot of the courses have laboratory components. As well, it's an environmental-focused program in which you learn about the environment to make a difference for the environment. Lastly, this program is done in partnership with the River Institute, in which students get the opportunity to work alongside scientists that are actually working in the field, to learn from them, and to also take part in different research projects and programs.
Believe me when I say you will not regret applying to the environmental technician program. You should choose the E-Tech program at SLC because it's a great hands-on experience and you get to collect your own field samples and then be able to bring them back to the lab and analyze them. Also, this program opens so many different doors, including being able to work at the lab, doing field work, and working for the government and research facilities as well as conservation authorities. And if afterwards you wanted to further your education, the St. Lawrence College is connected with the Royal Roads University and you are able to take a fast track to get your Bachelor's of Science.
So the environmental technician program stays with the times by integrating new technologies wherever possible in the program. An example of this is that I bring in eDNA as early as my general biology course in the first semester for students to be introduced to this vital new technology that they'll be introduced to, certainly in being in this field. I invite you to discover the unique opportunities that the environmental technician program offers. Apply today.